Mr. Guerrero. Turn it up, please. Stay on the stage, boys and girls. Stay on the stage. Don't come down the stairs. Your fathers are going to meet you here.
Babies, you can sit down now. Sit, boys and girls.
Where's Leon's? Where's Landisha? Forget the money one thing. Thank you, fathers and father figures.
All right. All our dads, big you up. Big round of applause for all the fathers and father figures in the house. The moment you all have been waiting for. At this time, our babies will receive their diploma. I would like for Ms. Tyra Hernandez to come forward to present the babies with their diploma. Audience, invited guests, parents, we would like for you all to listen on information that Teacher Fitz is about to share with you all. These are what the babies, they tell us, all right? So just listen keenly because some of them deserve a big up at this moment as well. Thank you.
Before our graduates come forward, Daddy Mike holds a special place in her heart and is one of her favorite, Talia Martinez. Clear the way. Future police officer Wyatt is on patrol. Blue is his favorite color, and stew beans with bread is his favorite meal. He loves playing with his monster trucks and spending time with the people he loves most. His daddy, mommy, Uncle Travis, Grandpa Poach, but he says, I love my granny more. With his big imagination and adventurous spirit, Wyatt is ready for whatever comes his way. The road ahead is full of exciting possibilities. Wyatt Thomas Mariano. Freeze right there. Future police officer Kimani is on the case. Green is his favorite color, and meat and beans are always a tasty choice. He loves his mommy and enjoys spending playing time with his brother and sister. With his playful spirit and dreams of becoming a police officer, Kimani is ready for every adventure that comes his way. The future is full of possibilities. Kimani Dean Diego. Tyra, wait till I don't talk, then you give me. Okay. No, give me another one. Give me another one. I'll put this in here. No, not yet. Make way for Dr. Ziara. This little princess loves all things pink and dreams of becoming a doctor when she grows up. She enjoys building with blocks and having fun with her best friends, Jenny Lee Mackenzie and Terrin Ramirez. Rice and stewed chicken are her favorite treats, and nothing makes her happier than spending time with her mommy and daddy. Keep dreaming big. Ziara, we are so proud of you. Ziara Elaine Shahadat. So who Africano? Okay. Prepare for takeoff. Future pilot Kai is ready to soar. Green is his favorite color. Rice and beans are at the top of his menu. Kai loves reading and enjoys exploring new adventures. Yeah, fine what? Okay. So who came up this morning? So who Kamari? What do you have for Kamari? Oh. Mhm. Attention everyone. Officer Kamari is reporting for duty. Green is his favorite color, and he dreams of becoming a police officer when he grows up. He loves eating apples and enjoys building blocks and playing alongside his best friend, Orion. Kamari also loves spending time with his mommy and sisters. He expresses how much he loves his daddy. With his imagination and determination, he's ready to take on the world. Adventure awaits Kamari Jarion Valentine. Ay, ay, ay. Freeze right there. Future police officer Kimani is on the case. Green is his favorite color, and meat and beans are always a tasty choice. He loves his mommy and enjoys spending time playing with his brother and sister. With his playful spirit and dreams of becoming a police officer, Kimani is ready for every adventure that comes his way. The future is full of possibilities. Kimani Dean Diego. Your name. Freeze! Police officer Ayezon is on patrol. This young officer in training loves the color green and enjoys eating his vegetables. He loves his mama and papa and dreams of serving and protecting his community one day as a police officer. With his bright smile and big dreams, he's ready for whatever adventure comes next. The future is calling. Ayezon Kingston Baltazar. Cast your line. Future fisherman John is ready for adventure. Blue is his favorite color, and fish is his favorite meal. He loves his mommy and daddy and enjoys spending his days playing with his friends at school. Whether he's making memories with friends or dreaming of life on the water, John brings joy wherever he goes. A sea of possibilities awaits. John Clarence Eligio Jr. Paging Dr. Elisa. This bright little girl loves the color pink and dreams of becoming a doctor when she grows up. Spaghetti is her favorite meal, and she enjoys spending her time playing with her friends Jenny and Amira. Elisa loves her mommy and daddy very much and always brings joy wherever she goes. With her kind heart and big dreams, she's ready for an amazing journey ahead. Keep reaching for the stars. Elisa Adeline Flores. Paging Dr. Renee. This cheerful little girl loves the color pink and enjoys a tasty plate of rice and stewed chicken. She loves spending time with her mommy and daddy and can often be found having fun with her ball. With dreams of becoming a doctor one day and a playful spirit to match, she's well on her way to great things. Keep chasing those dreams. Renee Haley Thomas. Cast your nets, future fire. Ready? Ready? Okay. Cast your nets. Future fisherman Tyrone is ready for the open sea. Green is his favorite color, and rice and beans is his favorite meal. He has a special love for his daddy and enjoys spending time with him. With a love for adventure and dreams of becoming a fisherman, Tyrone is sure to reel in a bright future. Smooth sailing ahead. Tyrone Lionel Robinson Jr. Future teacher Jenny is already learning how to care for, and encourage others. Her favorite color is pink, and she loves spending time with her best friends, Ciara, Terry, and Karina. Noodles with sausage Orion Rahim Khalid. Painting Dr. Alair. This little girl loves the color pink and dreams of becoming a doctor when she grows up. Rice and beans with gravy is her favorite meal, and she loves spending time with the people closest to her heart. Mahim, her Gigi, Agin, and her daddy. Alair especially enjoys playing with her cousin Aaron, whom she says is more like a brother. With her loving heart and big dreams, she's ready for a future full of wonderful possibilities. Alair takes me forward. What's up, future patients? Anastasia dreams of becoming a doctor one day. This little lady loves the color pink, enjoys dancing, and can often be found having fun with her brother Capet and her best friend Sarah. When it comes to food, broccoli and carrots are among her favorites. Daddy holds a special place in her heart. Keep reaching for the stars, Anastasia. We are so proud of you. Anastasia Evangeline Romero. Look up, future police officer Elijah is ready to keep things in order. His favorite colors are yellow and green, and he enjoys eating noodles, french fries, and burgers. Elijah loves his mommy and daddy, and is always willing to lend a helping hand by assisting his mommy with tidying up the house. With his caring nature and sense of responsibility, For this year's certificate of appreciation, I'd like to call on Mr. Michael Montero. Thank you so much for your assistance throughout the school year. Michael Montero, please.
Can someone come on his behalf, Patricia?
Miss Makaya Leslie, know that you are greatly appreciated by us. Thank you. Miss Tyra Hernandez, thank you so much. Thank you.
They say all good things must come to an end, right? But we cannot leave this building without giving thank you to people behind the scenes for making this day possible and very beautiful. I would like to call on Orion Thomas to come and give us a thank you.
Thank you, Daifa.
Left side.